Good afternoon, my dear brothers and sisters. At the beginning of the Mass, I invited you that we offer this Holy Eucharist for all the sick, most especially for our dear Holy Father, Pope Francis, continuously battling with his sickness up until now. We keep him in our prayers and remember his healing and his recovery. After the excellent answer of Peter to the question of Jesus, "Who do you say that I am?" he got this expression or answer from the Lord, "Get behind me, Satan. You are thinking not as God does, but as human beings do." Nasabi ito ni Jesus dahil hindi matanggap ni Pedro na dapat maghirap, na dapat mamatay at muling mabuhay si Jesus. Thinking not as God does, but as human beings do. Si Jesus ka, dapat hindi ka nahihirapan, dapat hindi ka magpapakasakit, dapat niluluwalhati ka lamang dahil si Jesus ka, dahil Diyos ka. Marahil para kay Pedro, bawal mahirapan si Jesus o marahil bawal mahirapan ang tao. We might ask, how is God thinking? Paano ba ang pag-iisip ng Diyos? And with the readings we have today, we surely know one fact on how God thinks. The Lord knows the sufferings of His people. He knows the sickness of His people. He knows the troubles of His people. But more than those, He thinks well that these are not the endpoints of life. Yes, there is suffering, but there is joy. There is desolation, there is consolation. There might be sickness and troubles today, but there will be healing and peace afterwards. You might be suffering and trying. Later on, you will succeed and bear fruit. The words of the Lord in our first reading is strong enough to assure us, "Never again shall all creatures be destroyed. Man was hailed again with dignity and value." Binigyan niya na muli ng lakas at dignidad, mulit-muli ang tao. And this is our very experience with God. All our flaws, all our weaknesses, all our sickness, and all our pains, even all our sufferings are true to His eyes. But our healing, our growth, our value, our health, our happiness will also be true to Him. Alam ng Diyos ang kahirapan natin, pero alam din niya paano ang pagkabuhay natin. With the great mind of God, He sees our downfall, but He sees much of our value. He sees our stubbornness, but He sees much our willingness after. He sees much of our crosses, but He also has in mind the great promise of resurrection, our new life, our new healing, and our new beginnings, this life that we embrace.